Winter doesn't just make floors dirty, it makes them destructive. And winter soil isn't soft dust. It's salt, moisture, and abrasive grit. And when they combine, they bond. Moisture dissolves salt. Salt creates a sticky film. Film traps grit. And now your floor finish becomes sandpaper. Every step grinds that bonded soil into the surface. You see dulling, then scratching, then premature finish failure. And most facilities think they just need to clean more often. But winter soil isn't just a chemical problem. It's a mechanical removal problem. And recovery matters because if you leave moisture behind, the bonding starts again. When you control grit and moisture, winter loses. Download the Winter Soil Removal Matrix to learn more. Legends Labs, where real-world problems meet real-world science.